Close your eyes for a second. Think of the sky above the Nile. It's Lebani. The sun at noon. It's Asfar. Your favorite football team's jersey. Maybe Ahmar or Azra. Colors are everywhere in Egypt, from clothes in the market to boats on the Nile, to the streets at night. Today, we're not just naming colors, we're living them in Egyptian Arabic. So grab your palette and let's start painting with words. First, Aswad. Aswad. It means black. Repeat after me. Aswad. Aswad. Then Ahmar. Ahmar. It means red. Repeat after me one more time. Ahmar. After that, we have Azra. Azra. It means blue. Some people say Azraq. Azraq. This is Fusha. After that, we have Labani. Labani. It means sky blue. Labani. Let's repeat it one more time. Labani. Now, with the color of the sun, Asfar. Asfar means yellow. One more time, Asfar. After that, we have Abyad. Abyad. It means white. Let's repeat one more time. Abyad. Next, we have Burtuqali. Burtuqali. It means orange. One more time. Burtuqali. Finally, Akhdar. Akhdar means green. One more time. Akhdar. Now, let's have a quick quiz. What color is the Nile? Yes, you got it. It's Azra. Great job. To the next one. What's the color of the sun? جامد. Bravo. أصفر. أصفر. What about the trees? ممتاز. It's أخضر. أخضر. How about milk? It's easy. Yes. أبيض. أبيض. Awesome work, wallahi. Now, your world has colors in Egyptian Arabic. From Aswad to Abyad, from Ahmar to Akhdar, from Labani, the color of the sky, to Burtuqali, the color of the sunset. Every time you see a color around you, say it out loud in Egyptian Arabic. Colors aren't just words, they are how we see and live life. مع السلامة.